see it zoomed out. There's a baby moose right there. Mom moose is right here over the hedgerow. There she is. She's right there. And baby moose is right there. In front of me. They're all two of them are girls. One's too small to harvest, but they're right in the middle of the trail, and I gotta walk that way, and it's getting dark. They're just got a hold of me here. Look at the size of those things. There he is. See him? He just doesn't have enough. He's not big enough. I want to take him so bad, but he's not big enough. It's your lucky day, buddy. They see me now. At least the mama does. She's big, and she looks not happy with me being here. But see, okay, that's a perfect view. He's just too small. He's like maybe a couple years old. But yeah, big old girl just standing on the trail. It is getting dark, and I really gotta go. I prefer if they would just move. But I'm afraid if I get close, they'll charge me, and I can't shoot them. Neither one of them are legal. Alright, I gotta get moving here. These guys gotta go. I'm gonna start getting closer. I'm not trying to hurt you guys. I just need you to move. There we go. They saw me wave the gun. They're moving. There they go. They're running. Oh, that was so cool. That was so awesome. Made me nervous. Oh, that was so awesome. It made me super nervous. He came out first, so I thought he was legal at first. I then put the scope on him, realized he wasn't. And the girls came out, but oh my goodness, he scared the crap out of me. It's like right before dark, and I have about 3 miles left to hike, which really sucks because I'm probably gonna get caught in the dark, but it's fine. That was pretty cool. That was like 80 yards from those things. Those things were massive. So, all right, I'm gonna go back to being quiet. Hopefully, a legal one pops out while I'm hiking back. All right, guys, it's been a crazy few weeks. I hope you guys are all safe out there, but I have been off-grid solo hunting moose for about a week now. Sadly, I didn't see anything that I could legally harvest in that area, but it was still absolutely gorgeous seeing all those animals and everything else. A couple of them spooked me. You know, the the mama that was a little close to the road just caught me off guard there in the dark, but it was awesome. And I really appreciate the beauty of Alaska a lot more now that I got out really far into the beautiful parts. My appreciation for Alaska is growing. But I got some big news. So I haven't really talked about it a lot because I really felt like it wasn't relevant. But I have been in the military for the past 5 years. I've been in the Air Force as an aircraft mechanic for the last 5 years. I am now going to be transferring out of the military in the next 6 to 8 months, so I'm going to be moving. My whole goal here is to buy a place that me and my family, my wife and kids and my dog and whatever else comes into my family, we can grow into. I want a place where, one, it's safe. I don't want to be having to worry about the crazy stuff, so we're going to be trying to buy a couple acres of land in a safe area, and we're going to try and mostly we're going to try and buy a farm. That's kind of our goal, is to have a nice little farm where we can grow into, we can raise our kids, you know, all that fun stuff. That's the goal. So there's a lot with that. I have upgraded from lowballing people on Facebook Marketplace to now lowballing people on Zillow. Well, I mean, I'm not even lowballing them. I'm giving them a reasonable price and they're not taking it. But we'll find a place. It's not a big deal. I'm not even sure where I'm moving to yet, but I know it's going to happen within the next 6 to 8 months. So like next spring sometime, I'm going to be moving. So you guys get to look forward to some big road trips, you know, a new place, new content, hopefully some new friends, a lot of fun stuff. So before we leave Alaska, even if we are leaving Alaska, I don't know if we're leaving yet, but I'm just kind of acting like we are. So I'm doing all the things I've been wanting to do that I just haven't been able to do yet. 3 things. 3. I haven't ever ridden a snowmobile in the entire time I've been in Alaska. I'd love to actually ride a snowmobile. So, a couple different things with snowmobiles. I have one sitting in the shop, which is that little John Deere one that we bought a while ago. I have another one that we're being offered, and I don't know if it works or not, but we're going to go find out. And then the 907 diesel buddies of mine are all offering to take me on their spare sleds to go mountain riding. So we'll kind of see how all that goes. I'm really, really excited about all that. Very exciting. So I'm going to be riding snowmobiles. So you guys get to see some snow content for once. 2, I haven't been to Prudhoe Bay yet. I've been wanting to go to Prudhoe Bay. I just haven't gotten up there due to, 1, the costs, and the roads are so bad. I drove Eva up to the Arctic Circle last year, and that was just rough. So I'm debating on that if I want to go to Prudhoe Bay and spend the money, because it's almost $1,000 trip, and it's insane. So I'm debating that. And then the last thing is what I've been wanting to do since I got here to Alaska. It's been one of the main things I've been trying to do, but it's been really hard because I've been either busy with work or it's just been canceled. So the Alaska Racing Association or something like that, I'm not sure what their exact name is, they put on an event almost every year at Big Lake, Alaska. It's basically a giant, I don't know if it's a circle track or what they do exactly, but they clear the ice off, they set up cars, and they race them. And I would really love to drive my car down there and race in that event. Now, it's not going to be the Mustang or my truck or anything like that. I have a daily driver Subaru that I put up the channel forever ago when I bought it because I thought I'd be using it for content, but it turned out to be a really good car with low miles. So I've been daily driving it for the last, 5 years. My goodness. So yeah, the Subaru Impreza that's totaled, we're going to check that car, make sure it can pass their little inspection and everything, and then we'll drive down there to the event and then come back up. I don't know if I can afford it though, because 1, the gas is very expensive right now. It's almost $4 a gallon, which is insane. So road trips are getting really hard. 2, the cost of their membership and their event fee. So it's pretty expensive, but I would really like to go and actually try to compete up there with them. So we'll see how it all goes. But yeah, those are the 3 things I want to do: snowmobiles, Prudhoe Bay, and Big Lake, Alaska ice racing. That's my goal. Now, there's going to be some stuff in between that, but those are the 3 big things I want to do. And I don't even know if I'm going to get to half of those things just because of, funds. Which is why I've been so stingy on money this year and why I keep saying I shouldn't have bought this Mustang, because I knew I was moving. I knew I was getting out of the military and, all that. But it was a really cool car. I'm really glad I got the opportunity, even if I have to sell this car. It was really cool to do all the things I've already done with it. North Pole Speedway, I got to drift this thing around a little bit. So even if I don't get to keep this car, I would really like to. But even if I don't get to, it was still really awesome while I've owned it. So I think I've listed it for sale, but I don't know if anyone's willing to pay what I've listed it for. So we'll see. Other than that, really, I just got to fix the equipment I have. So the truck blew the head gasket, the trailer blew a tire, but I'm going to try and upgrade that stuff. So next video, I'm going to tear down the snowmobile here and see what parts I need for that. I have a bunch of parts for the truck and trailer in my cart. carts because it's multiple websites. But I'm going to kind of go over a video and see kind of what your guys' opinions are on if I should just go the cheap route for now and save the money, or if I should just spend the money, put these all back together the right way so they all function properly and I don't have to worry about them again later. Now, the truck is kind of an up in the air thing because I can put it back together, but should I upgrade it? Should I put head studs? Should I do this? Should I do that? So that's going to be next video. We'll dive into that and talk about it and figure it all out. But you guys get to see what's going on with the snowmobile that I bought for $100, by the way. I have no idea if it works. We can kind of see if it runs. Maybe I can get it running. Maybe it'll work. I don't know. It looks like it has enough stuff there to run, but it looks rough. So we're going to tear it down, see what is available for parts for that thing, and if I can get it working. We'll see. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. The weekly content thing that I said a while ago, I'm trying my best, but with the big news of moving, I don't think I'm going to pressure myself as hard to keep doing that. So I'll try my best, but sorry about that. We're going to try. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. It's really awesome you guys supported me this long. I feel like I've made a lot of good progress this year. I feel like I've gained a couple hundred subscribers, and it's been going awesome, and I've really enjoyed it. Just enjoy the content that's coming up in the next year or two. It should be a little interesting how all of it goes. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. It really means a lot. And I will hopefully see you guys next week for the tearing down of my snowmobile and talking about all the money I have to spend on all of my equipment.